description.
Well, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from the folks over at Cielo Fine Foods. This is their seafood variety, Mariscos. So it's a ramen noodle soup. And I have a feeling this is going to be good. What is a bummer is I really have nothing in the line of seafood to garnish this with, which it sucks. I don't have any shrimp. I've got fishbowl, but that definitely doesn't fit the architectural vernacular of this. So we will see what happens on its own. Noodle block. Folding fork. Woo. And we've got some sachets here. We've got a liquid, a powder, a veg, and a paste or oil. So yeah, this one's interesting to me. The last one of these I tried was their birria, and I gotta say that was the best birria variety I've had. I should also mention these are made for them in Vietnam. And that being said, this one I looked in the ingredients and it mentions it has tom yum paste in it. However, when you think about it, at least when I think about it, there are a lot of parallels with seafood from Mexico and tom yum. A lot of citrus. That's the main thing that I get out of that. So I could see how this combo could work. So I guess we'll see. Yes, yes. We shall see. There's a lot of veg there. That's cool. Sachet of liquid. Oh yeah, now I gotta find that fill line. Eek. That is always the hardest part for me, I gotta say. I'm legally blind, and that fill line, I need that to be very pronounced. Like, I want to see a fill line that I could see from a mile away. There, is that it? I think that's it. It's nice to be able to get a shadow on it, so then I can be like, okay, there. Nah. Is it on the outside? They do that too. Well, maybe I'm seeing things, but I'm going with that's the fill line. So here we go. And I need to find a proper bowl for this because I didn't go bowl hunting. Alright, and this goes for 4 minutes? 3 minutes. It's a 3-minute kind of day here at the Ramenator World Headquarters. Blah. So, what have I been up to? I've been walking. And today I took a walk to Bothell looking for a particular instant noodle which I couldn't find. Yesterday I did a walk to Lake Forest Park looking for a particular instant noodle that I couldn't find. And yesterday I think my round trip in the morning was like 6 miles. Today it was about 8.5. Tomorrow I'm going to walk to Seattle from Kenmore is my plan. What was I doing? I was doing a thing. But yeah, the kids are on, they're doing stuff and things. The kids are going to school, so I've got all this time. So I'm doing a lot more walking. I've got a new thing. You want to see something cool? Let's see if I can get it up there. This just showed up yesterday. Can you see it? You see? Can you see? Can you see that? Whoa, whoa, whoa. A little bit more. Little bit more. Come on. See? I got that. It's an Imperial Walker. It's not Captain Walker from what do you call it? The finest film of all time, Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome. But I scored that. But yeah, I've been doing walking. Totally cut down my caloric intake. I eat less than 1,500 calories. Like I'm down to like 56, 70 milligrams of cholesterol a day. Yeah, it's been really easy actually. It's so easy, you know, you can do it too. But yeah, and I've been like walking like a psychopath. It's been great. It's been really great. So yeah, pretty soon I have a feeling I'll be walking like 50 miles a week, maybe 40. Oh, let's try 35. But it's so much easier when the kids are at school. If the kids are at school, then I can actually do stuff. Okay. But yeah, it's like I get out and then it's like, oh, the sun was out. The sun came out earlier. It was really, really a pain in the butt. So I had to battle with the sun, and I really despise the sun battle. It's a pain in the ass. Okay. Let's give this a try. I'm curious. There's a noodle. Mm-hmm. Sold. I'll use the term that some might find crazy. This is Tom Yummy. I freaking love Tom Yum soup. That is a really nice Tom Yum. Nice bit of oiliness. There's a lot of veg in there too. If you like Tom Yum, you're gonna love that. It's worthy. Now I just need a pot to put it, or a bowl to put it in. I know which one I'd like to use, but of course it's like totally not the right thing. What do I use? I keep running into using the same stuff over and over because lately I've been like doing a couple reviews and then nothing, and then a couple reviews and then nothing. Let's go with this one. This is an OG bowl. Why does everybody keep their vitamins and medicines in front of my noodlings? Alright. God, why are you... There you go. But yeah, I got that thing and... Gosh, dang it. I got people binging me in my ear. I tell you, hell in a handbasket. We got some scallion. I really don't have much. I've got sesame seed, which I don't have much of that left either. I wish I had some like scallops to throw on that. Some scallops and mussels. But yeah, this is a really nice citrus leaning spicy seafood variety. I enjoy it. Perhaps you will too. Look at it go. All right, well, thanks to the folks over at Cielo Foods for sending that over. And I want to show you something that drives me crazy. So here's the spot where I take pictures that end up on the ramenraider.com, such as the thumbnail and things like that. See the problem? Yeah. This is the only good spot for it. And I can lower the shade, or I can put up something that gets in the way of the sun. And on a day like this, though, it's mostly cloudy. So that sun's going to go away, but it's going to come back. And the battle, the struggle is real, let me tell you. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. But anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Don't worry, I'll get nice pictures, nice as I can. Have a good one. Bye-bye.